Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
This short guide shows the only reliable ways to remove a Discord link preview. First, compose your message and wait for Discord to generate the preview. Then click the small X in the preview pane to remove the embed before you send. For server-wide control, an admin must change the embed link's permission to prevent automatic unfurls. If you already sent the message, delete and resend the link using single backticks or a code block to stop embedding. Compose your message and paste the full URL, then wait for Discord to generate the preview. Look to the preview's top right corner and click the small X to remove the embed immediately. Confirm the preview is gone and then send your message normally without a preview attached. If you need to keep the link visible but not embedded, wrap the URL in single backticks or a fenced code block before sending so Discord will not unfurl it. Server administrators can prevent link previews for multiple users by revoking the embed link's permission on roles. Open server settings, go to roles, select the role, and disable embed links to stop automatic previews. If a message already has a preview, delete that message and resend the link using single backticks or a fenced code block so Discord will not embed it. Use this approach for reliable removal across users and for cleaning up existing unneeded previews.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.